Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I am here to do a really quick video of my August kit that I have put together. So this is just going to be a quick video to show you what I'm going to be using for memory keeping and some items for my planner. And I will actually show you my actual projects that I will be creating. So I don't know if I'm going to do any process videos, but I definitely will be sharing how I am using my kit. So because I am doing a supposable spending freeze, I am using items out of my stash, and I also get the pocket cards from Coco Daisy. So I just wanted to show some items. So this is actually what I used last year, and I can't show in detail what's in here, but I am doing some memory keeping in here. So I'm going to be adding pictures and different things. So the Coco Daisy actually came out again with this same theme. So I did have some items in my stash. So this is one of the books I will be going back to August 2023 and printing out photos, and I will be adding some memory keeping in here. So I do have some journaling in there, so that's why I haven't opened that. And I think I might have shared that last year on one of in my journal or planner videos. It would be for August 2023 if I did that. But now to come to 2024, I actually have another one of these books. So this was a 2020 collection, I believe, or 2018, something like that. But I ordered an extra mini book. So how I'm going to use this, I'm going to be journaling about, we are going to be starting homeschooling soon. So I figured it'd be nice to have a little notebook to document my children, their kind of their little adventures, their wins, things that, you know, the positive things that are going on in our life, the positive memories. I have my journal that I really express myself, but overall I try to be positive with my children. Now I will admit I do have some pictures of my children when their room is like crazy. I snap a picture and I will memory keep that because it's real life, so they could remember how their room used to look. So anyway, I mean, I've done that for my craft room as well. So I have pictures of like my craft room being nice, but I don't know if I took a picture from when we were moving of my craft room and how chaotic it was. I wish I would have though, but I don't think I did, but I have to look through my pictures if I did. So here's some twine. This came from an old, a lot of this is like from my Coco Daisy stash. And then some frames. I don't remember if I got, oh, this might have came in a hip kit club. So you can kind of see the theme of the colors. I have some tags, and I know I'm not going to use all of this, but it's nice to just have these things on hand. Just so, you know, you're not going through looking for these types of things. If you want to use like some tags, and maybe I'll do some like mixed media or something. I think these also came from a Hip Kit Club kit. They would have some like mixed media, some tags and different things like that. These are some washi tape. This I think came from like a June summer theme. And I think these two came in I think one of the kits from Coco Daisy from that collection that I was saying that they brought back. So yeah, but they go really well. So yeah, sorry if I don't remember exactly. This was actually a paper clip that did come in one of the kits in the collection. So this is when I was like getting like hundreds of dollars worth of kits. So it's nice because now I can dig into my stash. This is from last year because we're going to be homeschooling. This is going to be fun to use. I really gathered up a lot of this collection. So I am looking forward to using this because the colors go really well. Let me just show you really quick. This is the color This is the color scheme right here. So let's see that actually. I know this one does have more purples, but I could still bring out the blues and the oranges. To me, it just goes so perfectly with that. And this is the only thing I got, not this little, this actually came from that same collection when it came out a few years ago. So, but this is the only thing I received for that kit. I got the pocket cards, and then they gave me this. It's like, it's called Sun Drenched. I think back then it was called something Bloom. I can't remember, but they actually added this little vinyl sticker, Just Breathe. So that's pretty. So this is all I got. Everything else is from my stash, including this little, why can't I think of what that's called? I guess a pin that you put on the paper clip. So, yep. So this is the only new items that I have, minus that. So I will be using that in my memory keeping. I have the stickers from Coffee Monsters Co. and just an abundance of different items. Like these are just cards from the Hip Kit Club. They do like sales, so these go perfectly with those colors. And then my album, which I will share that. I may do a process setting this up. We will see. And this paper actually came from a different Cocoa Daisy kit that I bought from Madeez stash. I think this came out in like 2016, I think. I'm not sure. But it just looks so pretty, so I just covered up my Snap album. I figured that looks so pretty for fall. So this is going to be kind of like our fall memory keeping album. This is the route that I decided to go. So I will be using that. And once again, I will share, what I'll do is I'll share my items that I'm going to be using for my kits, because some of this will be used for planners, some of this will be used for journals, some of this will be used for memory keeping. But yeah, I just want to see these came as well in that kit. I had some stickers left over, this too, and this as well. I think this has the year actually, doesn't it? Thought I did. Oh yeah, see, it came out August 2020. So 4 years later. And then this is also what I had in my stash. So I'm super excited. This came in a different kit, but I figure it all goes so pretty together. So it actually has been nice not to purchase a lot, because I have all these items in my kit from this. All these items from the kit in my stash, and I even had the printables. So when they were doing the free printables back then, I have these printables, so that is going to be nice. I can fussy cut out some flowers. I have these that I can make die cuts, so I made several. I had printed some off already, but some I printed on cardstock. I think I will do one process video for this, just so you can see what I'm going to be using, maybe for my planner, because I do want to set up a ring planner. I get so excited about setting up ring planners, so I may set up a ring planner. And this was also all part of the free printables. These are just other extra cards. I'm not going to go through these, but these are like from Hip Kit Club and Cocoa Daisy. Here's some more items that came with the pretty kit. So see, I still have all these cards and even the swatch card. So super excited to use that. And then I have this sticker book that I got from Ollie's, and the colors go really well with that as well. See, especially that. Oh, that is going to look so pretty. So yeah, I think I am going to, and some of it's like winter and different things, but the colors just go so pretty. Like, it goes so good. This was a January, from a January kit. This was also from a January kit from a previous year. So I have tons of stickers, and there's a bookmark. This is from Planner Society. This is a backing card, Cocoa Daisy, enamel dots, photo play ephemera, more stickers. This is because we'll be taking a trip to Florida, so I figured that'd be fun to use as well. And just more. So I just threw in a Mod Podge of stickers that would match with this collection. And that is it. I just want to share that. And look out for a video. This is Bloom Street, which will go really pretty as well. Like even the hummingbird. And then some EC stickers, planner stickers. These old Cocoa Daisy papers. More papers. More papers. And then more stickers. And then some more little fun things. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but I will do another video. I just want to share this really quick on all these fun goodies that I have, and this is kind of like my DIY kit. It is a Mod Podge. I will be organizing this, and then I will have a more detailed video. So stay tuned for that, and I think I will be putting these together and showing you how I put that together, and also my rub-ons. So thanks so much for stopping by. Hopefully I didn't go too fast, but I didn't want this video to be too long. And stay tuned for a process video or a share of my planners and my memory keeping for August. Y'all take care. God bless. Bye-bye.